Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pebble Fashion Trend TV channel. Please, if you are new in the channel, please like, share the video with your friends and subscribe for more updates. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do tomato omelets. So after cutting your vegetables, your tomatoes, you put it in a bowl with the egg. You stir it together. You stir with the egg. Allow all of them, the vegetable with the egg, to blend together. You have to blend it together. After blending it together, so after your tomato and egg is blended together, you put your frying pan. This time you put your frying pan in the fire and put oil in it and heat it up. So before then, you lower your heat. You don't fry your egg with high heat. You lower it and let it heat up like 2 to 3 minutes. After it heats up, then you put your egg and allow it to fry. Then after some minutes, you check if it's ready to turn it to the other side. But if you check if it's not, you allow it to fry for some minutes. I think it's now ready to turn it to the other side so that the other side can fry. Then you turn it again. Don't over fry your egg, overcook it. Just check it when it's done. You will not over fry it. I think our egg is done, so we're gonna turn it to the plate. Our egg is done now. We turn it to the plate. This is our breakfast. Our omelette is ready for breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching.